Hi again. It's time for our second lecture video this week. And of course, that is the Listening Lab Blue Book Unit 4 this week, Apologies and Excuses. Okay, let's take a look. Are these expressions used for apologies or responses? You know, when somebody says, I'm sorry, how do you respond? Well, here are some good examples. Number one, I'm sorry. Nah, that's an apology. Number two, that's okay. There's a response. Oh, kanchanayo, that's okay. I didn't mean to. That's like, I'm sorry, accident. Very much like, I'm sorry. You're basically saying it was an accident. It won't happen again. Same thing. You know, oh gosh, I'm sorry. I won't do that again. I'm sorry. Oh, don't worry about it. It's okay. Number two and number five, basically the same thing. A response. Number six, how can I make it up to you? This is like, I'm sorry. This is an apology. I did something wrong. I'm sorry. So I'm down. I'm low. -1. I want to go back up. What can I do to make it up? To get up +1 to equal again. How can I make it up to you? It's no problem and that's all right are both response. Number 2, number 5, number 7, number 8, same thing. Basically, they all mean the same thing. Let's do number 1. People are apologizing. What are they apologizing for? What happened? What did they do? Go ahead, listen, answer, and then come back. So number 1 is A, he hit her car. Scratch is sort of small damage, just like the paint, the surface. If you hit a car and just touch it, you scratch it, okay? Kind of doesn't look nice, the paint is scratched. But if you hit hard and and there's a big kind of, you change the shape of the car's body, that's a dent, D-E-N-T, dent. That's more severe, much bigger damage. Number 2, he forgot her birthday. Oh, birthday is a special occasion. Okay, occasion. What's the occasion? A special day, special event, birthday, wedding, graduation. Those are special occasions. Number 3, she lost his CD, B. Yeah, it's like, I lost it. I loaned it to you. Okay, loan or lend is to give out, borrow is to take. So I didn't borrow you my CD, I loaned you my CD. I loaned you my CD. You borrowed my CD from me. Loan to, borrow from. Number 4, he was late for the date. She's like, oh, I'll let it go this time. Well, okay, don't let it happen again. It won't happen again. I'll let it go means, well, kind of yellow card. Okay, like a yellow card in soccer. Kind of warning, don't let it happen again. If it happens again. Number 5, she tripped him. I didn't mean to, it was an accident. Like sometimes you are walking and you put your foot in front of somebody and they fall. It's an accident, but they can get hurt. And in this case, he sprained his ankle. Sprain is when you twist or bend something too much. Not broken, no broken bone, but sort of pulling the muscle. You know, if you, too far, it's not broken, but you pulled it too far. It can be very painful and take a long time to heal. Sprained his ankle. And number 6B, she forgot their date. Oh my gosh, oh no, she forgot. Not good. Okay, listen again one time. All right. Any questions or problems? Always you can ask, but always check at least one time after we've gone over the answers. Number 2, task 1. People are apologizing and making excuses. What are their excuses? Check the correct picture. Go ahead. Wow, number 1 is B. Now, he's on a freeway. Okay, wow, you're supposed to be here over an hour ago. Over means more than. He's over an hour late, more than 1 hour late. Over. Freeway. Picture A is not a freeway. Picture B is. Freeway is like gosokdoro. Okay, a freeway does not have sagori, intersection. Freeway does not have traffic light or stop sign. Okay, freeway is just freeway, just go. Number one, picture A could be a road or even a highway, like I guess a gukdo is like a highway, and they have stop signs and so on. But a freeway is picture B, and he's stuck in traffic. There might have been an accident, but the point of it is he's on the freeway and he's stuck in traffic. He can't move. B. Number two, A, burnt her hand. Ooh, that's bad. You can see the hand is red. So in the hospital emergency room, picture A, and B is a cut, blood from cutting with a knife. A is burning from heat. B is cutting from a knife. The answer is A. The man says, oh, no wonder you look so tired. No wonder. Wow, that explains it. Oh, I understand. Okay, no wonder shows you understand something. That explains well. Oh, yeah, you look very tired. Oh, no wonder you were in the hospital all night. Oh, I see. I understand. C, number three, A. He's like, where is it? Where's this party? I don't see the party. Where'd it go? He got lost, and he wrote down the address wrong. A. And number four is B. The car broke down. When something stops working, it breaks down. Like a machine. My computer broke down. The photocopy machine broke down. Not working. So she has to call a tow truck, T-O-W, tow, which means pulling. You know, the big truck that pulls the car, pulls it and takes it to a repair shop. That's called a tow truck, for towing a car. And she's gonna be on time, she says. I don't know, maybe next time. Picture A, the cat, that was a couple of weeks ago. Like, where's I don't see the cat. It's up in the tree. But that's not this time, that's it before. All right, so let's listen again and listen to the second person. Do they believe them? Do they believe their excuse? Listen to the feeling or the tone of what they say. All right, go ahead. All right, number one, again, the picture B, but notice the person doesn't really believe him. That's very unusual. I don't know. Her tone sounds like she does not believe him. No. Number two, yes. Okay, no wonder you look so tired. Oh, I understand. Yes, he absolutely believes her. It makes sense. He understands. No wonder. Number three, no, she's like, well, you always carry your cell phone. I mean, the lady sounds like she really doesn't believe him. Number four, also, you know, you were late last week, you were late 2 weeks ago. You know, every time there's an excuse. I promise I'll be on time next time. Okay, number one, number three, and number four, you can tell the person doesn't believe their excuse. Next page. If you need, listen again. If not, let's go on. Part 3. Page 16. People are explaining why they missed certain events. What event did each person miss? Okay, listen to task 1 and answer number 1 through number 6. Go ahead. Well, look at the picture. Oh, food poisoning. Ugh. Right? He thought he had the flu, but it ended up being food poisoning, eating bad food. That's a terrible feeling. You eat something bad and maybe for 24 hours, you're throwing up, going to the toilet, you can't move, you're lying in bed. You see the picture. I've had this happen. I felt like this man in the picture. Very terrible feeling. Anyway, he missed his cousin's wedding because of the food poisoning. Number 2, missed the class. She broke her ankle. Not sprained, remember, not like pulled, stretched, but actually bone is broken. Broke her ankle, missed the class. A. Number 3, missed his sister's soccer game. One of his co-workers, okay, co-worker, colleague, together, working together, called in sick, and now he had to go to work, so he missed this soccer game. He's very disappointed. Number 4, missed the job interview. Oh, God. If you miss your job interview, you will not get the job. Now she's very disappointed. Number 5, his niece's graduation. Okay, special ceremony, special occasion. Why? Well, we'll get to why later. But he missed the graduation. Okay, the actual graduation ceremony. And number 6, she had to study, so she missed the birthday party. Number 6 is C, missed her friend's birthday party. Okay, listen again. Check your answers for task 1 and also do task 2. Why did they miss the event? What happened? What was the reason why? Okay, listen and fill in task 2. Number 1, he missed his cousin's wedding. Of course, in the picture, he got sick. Not the flu, but it turned out to be food poisoning. Ended up, final result, food poisoning. Number 2, she broke her ankle, missed the class, broke her ankle, C. Number 3, he had to go to work. His coworker called in sick. He had to go to work. Number 4, F, she couldn't find it. Terrible. Missed her job interview. F, she also gets F on her job interview. Number 5, E, ran out of gas. Run out of means finished, no more. Your car, your motorbike, finished gas. Gas is gone, ran out, no more gas. The car will not go. Okay, you can also run out of, milk. Oh, I looked in the refrigerator, there's no more milk. Ran out of milk. And that was E. And number 6 is D. She had to study. Yeah, big test. Had to study. Missed the birthday party. Now, before we listen again, look at your notes. Family in English, there's only a few words you need to know for family. It's a lot simpler in English. Okay, mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, that everybody knows that. Son, daughter, brother, sister. Okay, we know these words. Every culture is same. Mother, son, father, daughter. But in English, there's only a few other words. Aunt, uncle, niece, nephew. If your brother or your sister has a son, that's your nephew. Doesn't matter if it's older brother, older sister, younger. Brother, any sister has a son, it's nephew. Any brother, any sister has a daughter, it's niece. Nephew is boy, niece is girl. Okay? Older, younger, doesn't matter. Uncle and aunt, very similar. All of your father's brothers are uncles. Older, younger, doesn't matter. All of your mother's brothers are uncles. Older, younger, doesn't matter. Uncle, 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 uncle. All your father's brothers, all your mother's brothers. But, the same is true of sisters. All your father's sister, aunt, aunt, aunt. All your mother's sisters, aunt, aunt, aunt. Uncle, uncle, aunt, aunt. That's it. Now, their husbands and wives are also uncle and aunt. So your father's brother is your uncle, and he gets married. His wife is also aunt. Your mother's brother gets married. His wife is your aunt. And same with the husbands. Your father's sister, she gets married. She's your aunt. She marries a man. He is now your uncle. Not uncle-in-law, aunt-in-law. No, just uncle, uncle, aunt, aunt. Your mother's brother gets married. Your uncle gets married. The woman is your aunt. All the same name. And all of those uncles and aunts, their children are your cousins. Boy, cousin. Girl, cousin. Fathers, brothers, children, cousin. Mothers, sisters, children, cousin. Cousin, 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 cousin. So you might have many, many cousins, many uncles, and many aunts. In English, these are the only real common words outside of, father, mother, brother, sister, son, daughter. Outside of the basic words, we really only use uncle, aunt, and cousin, and nephew and niece. Right? That's it. But it is confusing because they all have the same title. All right. Okay, now listen again and check your answers for task 1, task 2, and listen for, you'll hear you'll hear cousin, niece, you'll hear some of these family terms. Go ahead, listen again. Okay, any questions, please ask me. If the family titles are confusing, please ask me in your email. Okay, I'm happy to try to explain to you in the email. Last thing, dictation, page 17, task 1. Listen and fill in the blanks. Listen twice, fill in the blanks, come back. It's very important here to remember capital letters at the beginning of a sentence. No capital letter, wrong. On a test, if it's not a capital, it's wrong. Sentences must begin with a capital letter. Where, big capital W. Where were you this afternoon? Where, capital W. Oh, are you okay? Are you okay? I'm fine. It was just a checkup. Is something wrong with your internet connection? Capital I. First word, first letter, capital. Is something wrong? Okay, again, where were you? Capital W. Are you okay? Is something wrong? Capital I, is. Listen again, check. Okay, good work everyone. That's all for this week. You've done a great job. Listened to both lectures, I hope, and done the work. Send me your homework and any question by the regular time, Thursday at 9 a.m. Have a great week, everyone. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.